Hello, I am Chris from Palatech, and on this video we are going to learn how to change the general typography of our site using the OceanWP theme. First, we need to go to the left over to Appearance, then we click on Customize. Then we go to the left where it says Typography and we'll click on it. As you can see, we can change the typography of practically everything on the site, from the footer menu to the copyright to the blocks entries, background, etc. But mostly of them share the same basic structure, so it's going to be mostly the same for all the options. So we are going to use the body as an example. We can change first the family of the font. It will change all of the fonts. We can use any of the Google fonts or some standard fonts to come in WordPress. We can add some, but we are going to talk about on another video about that. So we are going to choose one, let's see, Ruluco. As you can see, the things we have done with the OceanWP theme are experience the change here, and we can also choose the thickness, that's the weight of the font. We are going to choose 600 semi-bold. As you can see, it grew thicker. We can also choose the style. If we choose an italic, it will be sideways like that. We can also transform the text into an uppercase, and everything will be on a capital letter. We can also change the size by adding some pixels to it. That's a little bit too much, as you can see. Then we can change the line height and the letter spacing. We're going to leave 1.2. And we can also change the color of the font, and we are going to choose a white to make it a little bit more sharp. And this change, once again, it will only affect things we have added through the OceanWP theme, and not the ones we have added with the Elementor page builder. Once we have do all the changes we want, we are going to save them by clicking on Publish. And that's it, we have changed the typography of our site. So that's it. If you like, subscribe to our channel and share with friends who might need help with their sites. See you the next time on Palatech.